anything like champagne. It was beautiful. The clothes were exquisite. Great color palette, breathtakingly beautiful stuff. And of course, Lolo looked outstanding. Well, it's a little too elaborate for me right now, but I would love to own all of Manish's creations. I'm wearing a DKNY. A healthy mind is a healthy body, but of course that's not going to do all the work. I eat right, try and work out, but I'm not too heavy into workouts. I just want to maintain what I already have. Sorry? Hottest couple in Bollywood. Malaika and Arbaz. Shahid and Bebo. On? All I'd like to say, please, if you're going out there, see that you indulge in safe sex. AIDS has become too rampant, and it's time everyone takes control of their lives.